Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chili biscuit. For this we need red chili, milk, baking powder, salt, refined flour, butter. So firstly, coarsely grind the chili to make chili flakes. Our fresh chili flakes is ready. Now in a bowl I am adding 100 grams of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste. Mix them. Now add butter, approximately 50 grams of butter. Fold it and press it. Mix them for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add little milk, approximately 3 to 4 teaspoon of milk to make a proper dough. So our dough is ready. Now in a chopping board I am adding chili flakes. Now I will put the dough and gently press using fingers. Add some more chili flakes. Press it again. Flip it. And again press them. Now take a cutter. Any cutter you can use, any shape. Any cap you can use to make biscuit. Cut them. Place the biscuits and on preheated oven 200 degrees Celsius bake them for 25 minutes and your crispy chili biscuit is ready. Thank you.